Hello, my name is Teacher Christine. What's your name? Okay, hello David. How are you today? Mm-hmm. Are you excited for our lesson this afternoon? Okay, but before that, let us read first. Can all birds fly? Okay, David, I want you to repeat after me. In three, two, one. Can all birds fly? Okay, again, David. Can all birds fly? Very good, David. Since you have pronounced the words correctly, I'll give you a star, a smiling star. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the next. Okay. Oh, can you see all the animals, David? Okay, let's start with identifying this animal. Okay, what is this animal, David? It's a, it's a, it's a monkey. Very good. What about this one? What is this, David? It's a, it's a tiger. Very good. Next, what is this one? It's a, it's a bird. Nice answer, David. What about this one? The one with the long neck. What is this? Okay, it's a j j. It's a giraffe. Very good. What about this one? It's a it's a cat. Very good. What about this one? It's a dog. And last but not the least, this blue one, this big blue one is an elephant. Very good, David. Since you've answered all my questions, I'll give you not one, but two, three stars. Clap your hands. Okay. Can you see the picture, David? Okay, this is a bird. What bird is it? It's a magpie. Can you say it with me? A magpie. What bird is it again, David? Okay, very good. It's a magpie. Okay, so this is a magpie. Can you say it with me? This is a magpie. Very good. And because of that, I'll give you one star. Oh, look, David. There are two birds. What are these birds called again? These birds are called magpie. Okay, can you count with me? Let's count all the birds in this picture. Okay, we have one bird, two birds. Again, what bird is this? It's a magpie. Okay, we have one magpie, two magpies. Overall, we have two magpies. Can you say it with me, David? It's two magpies. Very good. Okay, count with me, David. There's one magpie, two magpies, three magpies, and four magpies. Very good. And because of that, you get three stars. Yay! Now read with me. Magpies are birds. Again, David, magpies are birds. Very good. Again, David, magpies are birds. Very good. Okay, let's find and click all the magpies. Let's click all the magpies. We have this one. Okay, where are the other magpies, David? It's on the branch of the tree. And then the other one is here. And then the 3 are on the ground. Okay, we have 1 magpie, 2 magpies, 3 magpies, 4 magpies, and 5 magpies. How many magpies are there in the picture, David? There are 5. Very good. And because of that, you get a smiling star. Can you smile, David? Okay, you have a smiling star. Okay, next. So can we look at the pictures and say magpies? Magpies are birds. Can you say it again? Magpies are birds. Okay. And magpies can fly. Magpies can fly. Very good, David. Okay, again. So magpies are birds, and magpies are birds that can fly. Very good. Mm-hmm. Okay, next. Oh, we have another bird. What bird is it, David? It is a p p. It is a penguin. Very good. It is a penguin. Okay. Okay. This picture, what is this again? What bird is this? Okay, this is a picture of a penguin. Can you read with me, David? This is a penguin. Okay, this is a penguin. Again, can I hear it from you, David? Very good. This is a penguin. Okay, and because of that, you have 1, 2 stars. Yay! Okay. Oh, look at the picture, David. We have not 1 but 2 penguins. Can you say it with me? 2 penguins. Okay, David? 2 penguins. Very good. Again, for the last time, can you say 2 penguins? Okay, very good. Now, there are lots of penguins in the picture. Can you read with me, David? Very good. Let's go. Penguins are birds. Again, penguins are birds. Very good. Can I hear you read it, David? Very good. Penguins are birds. Again, for the last time. Penguins are birds. Okay. Can we? Oh, look at the penguin. It's missing its wing. Can you find the correct penguin's wing, David? Okay. Is it on the first picture, the second picture, or the third picture? Okay, David. Can you please find the correct penguin's wing? Okay. Correct, David. The correct penguin's wing is on the third picture. Very good. Okay. Now, let's hear. Okay, let's look at the pictures and read after me, David. Okay, let's start. Penguins. Okay, penguins are birds. Again, penguins are birds. Okay. Next, penguins cannot fly. Okay, penguins cannot fly. Okay, so David, penguins are birds, but unlike the magpies, penguins cannot fly. Penguins cannot fly. Okay, David? Very good. Now, for the last time, can I hear you read penguins are birds? Okay, very good. Next, can I hear you read penguins cannot fly? Very good. So penguins are birds and penguins cannot fly. You got 3 stars, David. Yay! Okay. Oh, what do we have here? So these are birds. What are these again, David? The ones on the top picture? Okay, these are magpies. Magpies are birds, and magpies can fly. Again, magpies are birds, David. Very good. And magpies can fly. Very good. Okay, next bird we have the penguins. Can I hear you say it? Penguins. Very good. Okay, penguins are birds. Here, David? Yes, penguins are also birds. But, there's a but, penguins cannot fly. Okay, so penguins cannot fly, unlike the magpies. Okay, can I ask you a question, David? Okay, magpies are birds that can fly. Very good. Now, penguins are birds that cannot fly. Very good. And because of that, you have 3 stars and you have a smiling star. Yay! Mhm. You're very good, David. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Let's answer the questions. Can penguins fly, David? Can penguins fly? Okay, penguins cannot fly. Very good. Penguins cannot fly. Next question. Are magpies birds? Okay, question. Are magpies birds? Yes, very good. Magpies are birds. Very good. Okay. Do you know any other birds that cannot fly? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes, there are a lot of birds that cannot fly. Mm-hmm. Yes, David. Okay, David, thank you so much for your participation. I hope to see you again on our next class. But before that, I'll be giving you 1, 2, 3 stars plus a smiling star. Yay! Thank you so much, David. Bye.